My name is Samir. There was a time in my life when I felt mentally weak. Not physically weak, but weak inside. Whenever a problem came, I felt overwhelmed. If something went wrong, my mood changed quickly. If someone criticized me, I kept thinking about it for hours. My mind felt heavy. I wanted life to be easy. I wanted everything to go smoothly. But life had different plans. One year, many things went wrong. I failed an important test. I had an argument with a close friend, and my confidence became very low. At that time, I felt like everything was falling apart. I asked myself, why is this happening to me? Why is life so difficult? One evening, I went to the terrace of my house. The sky was dark. The air was quiet. I sat alone, thinking about my problems. After some time, my elder brother came and sat beside me. He did not say anything at first. Then he asked, "What are you thinking?" I told him everything. I told him about my failure, my frustration, my fear. He listened carefully. Then he said something that changed my thinking. Life is not always easy, but difficulty is not your enemy. I looked at him, confused. He continued, "Mental strength is not built when everything is comfortable. It is built when things are difficult." He pointed to the sky and said, "Stars are not visible during the day. They appear only in darkness. That is how strength works." His words stayed in my mind. That night, I thought deeply. Maybe I was not weak. Maybe I just had not trained my mind. The next day, I decided to change my approach. When problems came, I did not run away. I faced them slowly. When I felt stressed, I took a deep breath instead of reacting immediately. When negative thoughts came, I asked myself, "Is this helping me?" If the answer was no, I tried to change the thought. It was not easy. Some days I still felt low. Some days I still felt confused. But I continued. Step by step, my mind became stronger. I noticed something surprising. The same problems that once made me panic now felt manageable. I became calmer. I became more patient. And most importantly, I became more confident. Because I knew I could handle difficulties. Now I understand something clearly. Mental strength is like a muscle. If you never use it, it stays weak. But if you face challenges, it grows stronger. Difficult times are not here to break you. They are here to build you. Final thought. Do not fear difficult moments. They are training your mind. They are shaping your strength. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep strengthening your mind. And always remember, hard times build strong minds.